So I have this brush and I put it away wet and it's got bent over where it's stuck in a bag. So we're going to have a go at straightening it out using hot water. So Sharon's getting me the hot water. So it's kind of as close to boiling as you can get it, sort of straight out of the kettle hot. But what we have to be careful that we do is only put the tip of the brush in and not the ferrule into the hot water. Here comes, at least it magically appears. And then I just put that in to there. Already it's almost there. And look at that. It is just about a perfectly straight brush again. Just give it a little wipe off. Now this time I'm going to make sure I leave it somewhere sensible to dry instead of curled up in a bag. So if you have a brush that's gone a bit bent, just dip the very end of it into boiling hot water.
Job done.
Job done.